Hi guys, in today's video I'll be unboxing the Falcon gimbal for action camera. So it's airtight. So the box have a little cushion on here to protect the gimbal. Got a card. So it's just a letter in different language. And the warranty card and instruction. So you got an Allen wrench, a bolt, and this is for you to mount your GoPro or action camera on it. Another Allen wrench. And we got a USB cable with USB-C. And we got a carrying bag on the bottom of the box, and that's one. So we got the gimbal itself. I'll say this the gimbal later. And we got a little stand for the gimbal. Can expand it all the way down like that. And it go on the bottom of the gimbal like that. So the tool they provide for you is this bolt right here. If you don't want to use this one, it's in the way, you can use this one, the short one. You go in like this. Like that. And you can use it to mount your camera so it's not getting in the way, so it doesn't touch anything. But I prefer to use this one, it's more convenient. Also this one right here, the small one, you can use this back here for this one to move it in and out. So you have space. You put your GoPro on here and you need space in here. Like that, you can move it in and out. Also there's another adjustment right here. You can move it up and down to make your GoPro a little higher or lower. So the gimbal itself is pretty small and it's very compact, as you can see, really small. And it got a joystick and it got the mode button right here. M is stand for the mode, and this is the power on off button right here. It got the USB-C charger port right here, and this is the trigger button back here. And on this side, I got the photo button, record button, and the time lapse button. So this you can link to your GoPro, and then it has a 3 mode: photo, record, and time lapse. So I'm gonna mount my GoPro on it, and I'm gonna turn it on and see how it is. Right now it has a little bit of battery left right there. So this thing is rotate 360. Yeah, this right here, this axis right here is only rotate that much, and this axis right here only rotate that much too. So this is the top where you can mount your GoPro on it. You slide in. And now we're going to turn it on. Like that. You can adjust it a little bit. I think I did toward the front too much. So now the GoPro is stable, and if I want to move like that, the GoPro will stay in one place. So So when you do the video recording, it doesn't shake or anything. It's very stable. Yeah, so if you want to record the front or the back, do it like that. So right now I'm using the joystick to control the movement. I'm using the joystick to control the gimbal. 360. Alright guys, so that's all for the Falcon Gimbal. I'll see you guys in the next unbox video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.